Hi all, Courtney here. I've got a simple, speedy and delicious berry crumble recipe to share with you now. I'll be using Eureka blueberries in my crumble, which if you've never tried them, they're huge in size, they have a fantastic flavour and crunch. For me, they're the most premium berry on the market. 10 cents from every punnet of Eureka blueberries sold in at Coles from the 8th of September till the 5th of October will be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, and that's up to the value of $75,000. All right, super simple one for you today. Here is how we make my almond and coconut blueberry crumble. What makes this crumble so easy is that there's minimal chopping and we don't need to cook the fruit before it goes in the oven. I've got 400 grams of our Eureka blueberries, so that's 2 punnets, and they go straight in to a baking dish. Next, you're going to need 250 grams of strawberries, and all you need to do is simply slice them up into the same tray with the blueberries. Now on to the crumble topping. So traditional crumble toppings are made from flour and from butter and sugar. We're going to do this as a gluten-free crumble. So I'm going in with 1 cup of almond meal. Has a beautiful kind of aroma and still gives us the same texture as flour, but without the wheat. Going to add into that a couple of sprinkles of cinnamon. I've got 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, and that can go in with the almond meal and the cinnamon. To keep this recipe dairy-free, I'm using coconut oil instead of butter, which would traditionally be used. So a couple of spoonfuls of our coconut oil, and then simply using clean fingertips, just rub the coconut oil into the almond meal and the sugar until you get some nice kind of chunky clumps of crumble. To finish the crumble, a little touch of sea salt, some shredded coconut. I've got some nuts for some crunch. I'm using macadamias and almonds, but you could use any nuts or seeds that you like. And just give that a mix through. And it's as simple as that. That's our gluten and dairy-free crumble mixture ready for our berries. A couple of other flavorings for our berries. I've got some lemon. Lemon and blueberries are best friends, and this gives us a lovely perfume. I'm going in with a little bit of lemon zest and a squeeze of lemon juice as well. This just means our crumble's not super sweet. I've got a little hit of vanilla that can also go in with the berries and the lemon. Some maple syrup, just to help sweeten. And you need a little bit of maple syrup. And to help thicken and give us a nice jammy consistency with the crumble, I've got some tapioca flour. So this is a gluten-free flour. You could use some cornflour as well, and just give that a mix through. All right, simple as that. All you need to do now is to put the crumble mixture on top of the berries and get that in a nice even layer. And now the crumble's ready for the oven. My oven's set at 180 degrees. This is going to take around 30 or 35 minutes. You want to see the fruit bubbling all around the outside, and we want a nice golden crunch on top. All right, it's piping hot out of the oven. That's what you want with a crumble. Look at that, full of fruit, nice and jammy. Just need a big dollop of yogurt or cream on the side. There we have it, guys. The house smells absolutely incredible. No fuss cooking, minimal effort, max flavor. That is my almond and coconut blueberry crumble. Get on into Coles, grab a couple of punnets of the Eureka blueberries and help support this fantastic foundation. They're great just for snacking on, or you can make delicious recipes just like this one. Oh yeah, that is a winner.